Good morning. This is your computer class and you are going to learn HTML basics. HTML is a hypertext markup language which is used for creating web pages. Web pages are the electronic pages. Electronic pages means which are easily moved over the internet. Okay. So we will learn here how HTML and its commands means tags are used at the time of creating web pages. So first of all, HTML tags. Tags क्या होते हैं? HTML tags are the fundamental elements of an HTML document. जो HTML tags होते हैं वो फंडामेंटल एलिमेंट्स होते हैं. फंडामेंटल एलिमेंट्स का मतलब होता है बेसिक एलिमेंट जिनके हेल्प से हम लोग वेब पेजेस को क्रिएट करते हैं. ओके. ये जो टैग्स होते हैं इनको कमांड्स भी कर सकते हैं. ओके. एग्जांपल HTML हेड, टाइटल, बॉडी, पैराग्राफ, बोल्ड, फॉन्ट टैग, हेडिंग टैग, HR टैग, टेबल टैग और भी बहुत सारे टैग्स होते हैं जिनका यूज करके हम लोग वेब पेजेस को क्रिएट करते हैं. जो HTML के टैग्स होते हैं वो दो तरह के होते हैं. There are two types of HTML tags, container tags and empty tags. Container tags क्या होते हैं? Container tags are the tags which contain text inside it, text or images inside it. Means which has opening and closing tag both. In opening tag we use like this HTML, and in closing tag here we can see HTML. This is opening tag. Okay. And this is closing tag. Okay, so this tag is used at the beginning of any document and this tag is used at the end of the HTML document. In the same way, there are several tags which are used in the web page for creating web pages, and for using means closing tag we use slash sign. This slash sign is used for closing tag. Okay, empty tag. Empty tags are the tags which does not has any closing tag. Empty tags are those tags which does not have their closing tag. Like BR. BR means break. Break line. HR, horizontal line. Paragraph is used for both closing and opening tag, but these are basic two types of tags, container and empty tags. Now we will discuss here about the tag attributes. Tag attributes are the properties which enhance the quality of web pages. With the help of tags and their attributes, we can enhance the quality of web pages. Now we will discuss. We can see here this is body tag, busy color is attribute and blue is the value. Okay, so we can see here how attributes are used with any tag. This is body tag, means tag name, and busy color is the attribute and blue is the value. So by this way we can understand tag attributes. So I think you understand all these topics, what is HTML and different elements of HTML. HTML tags like container tags and empty tags. Container tags have opening and closing tag, whereas empty tag does not have any closing tag. Okay, and tag attributes like this is tag attribute busy color. Busy color means the background of the web page. So we are defining here background color is equal to blue. So this attribute will change the background color as a blue color. Okay, so attribute has very important role with tags that we are using in web pages. Okay, next topic we will discuss in the next video. Till then, thank you. Students, in the previous video you have seen how HTML tags are used at the time of creating HTML document. After creating HTML document, the first thing is very important, that is how you will save the HTML documents. For saving HTML documents, we will use save as option. And then save as dialog box. Will appear. We will save HTML document with name dot html. So this is the way by which we can save HTML document. We will use HTML और HTM. या तो हम HTM को यूज करेंगे, डॉट एक्स मीन्स एक्सटेंशन के लिए, किसी भी HTML डॉक्यूमेंट के एक्सटेंशन के लिए हम लोग डॉट HTM या फिर डॉट HTML यूज करते हैं. ओके, सेव करने के बाद आप क्या करेंगे? व्यूइंग अ वेब पेज. वेब पेज को आपको व्यू करना है, देखना है कि आपका वेब पेज कैसे क्रिएट हुआ है. तो ऐसे में आप यूज कर सकते हैं वेब ब्राउजर. Web browsers are the client softwares which are used for visiting websites and web pages. So web browsers are like Internet Explorer, second is Google Chrome, and many web browsers are there. Basically in Microsoft operating system, Microsoft Windows operating system, Internet Explorer, Edge, Microsoft Edge, these are the predefined softwares that are already installed at the time of installing operating system. So you can use Internet Explorer, and if you want to use Google Chrome, you can use Google Chrome for viewing the web page. Well, आपने डॉक्यूमेंट को सेव कर लिया, व्यू करके देख लिया कैसा है. सपोज दैट यू वांट टू मेक सम चेंजेस इन योर HTML document. You will modify your web page. How you will modify? You will select the file and open in Notepad. You will see HTML codes. Now you can make changes. आप चेंजेस भी कर सकते हैं, आपको एडिट करना है एडिट भी कर सकते हैं। तो ये सारे वर्क आप इसमें मॉडिफाई कर सकते हैं। आप उनको दोबारा नोटपैड में ओपन करेंगे और उसके बाद चेंजेस करेंगे। इसके बाद कुछ और भी इम्पोर्टेंट HTML के टैग्स हैं, ठीक है, जिनको हम लोग एक एक करके देखेंगे। सबसे पहले है हेडिंग टैग। Heading tag, there are 6 heading tags: H1, H2, H3, dash dash dash, H6। ये 6 हेडिंग टैग्स हैं। अब एक ही हेडिंग टैग से काम चल सकता है, लेकिन 6 क्यों है? 6 हेडिंग टैग्स इसलिए हैं because each heading have different size and different text appearance. Okay, H1 is the biggest size of heading and H6 is the smallest size of heading. Okay, so we can use heading tag for giving heading to any text, okay, in the web page. Heading tags are the container tags which has opening and closing tags. Okay, after this we can use formatting tags. Formatting tags means these tags are used for making changes in the appearance of web page content, means the text की जो appearance है उसको चेंज करने के लिए हम लोग फॉर्मेटिंग टैग का यूज करते हैं। appearance यानी कि उसको बोल्ड करना है, you want to change as a bold text, as a italic text, as a underlined text, or you want to make changes in your web page content, like you want to make changes in the text color. Okay, so you can change the font color, font size, okay, and font style. So these are all formatting tags. After this there is small tag, big tag, and superscript, subscript. So these all tags are formatting tags, and we will use all these tags in the next video, okay, one by one. Okay, thank you. This time we will learn how a web page will create. Okay, so this is the basic structure of HTML document. Here we will learn how HTML document will create. So first tag is HTML. Okay, now head is second tag, then title. We will give here title as my first web page, and we will close here because title is closing tag. After that we will use body tag. With body tag we will use attribute for background color. VZ color equal pink. Any color we can use, and text means the text color is blue. Okay, now we will give here first heading by using heading tag H1. Hello, you are learning HTML. Okay, now we will close here heading H1. Then we can use another heading tag like H2, and we can write text here. HTML is used for creating web pages. Okay, and H2, this is closing tag. It will close. Okay, suppose that you want to give here line break. Okay, you can use here break tag. If you want to insert a horizontal line, you can use HR tag. So these are two empty tags. Okay, we can use another heading like H3. Learning HTML is of fun. And H3 will close. Okay, we can use several other tags. Okay, but this is a basic structure of HTML document. So we will use here only few tags, and after that we will close here the body tag, and this is closing tag, BODY, body, and then after the end of HTML document by using HTML tag. Okay, so by this way we can see the basic HTML tags. These are the basic HTML tags: HTML, head, title, and body. These are 4 basic HTML tags that are used in each and every HTML document. Okay. After that, we can use other tags and we can develop the web pages. You can see all the opening tags will used at the left margin, left side, and all the closing tags will used at the right side. Okay, one more thing, we have to close here head tag. After closing title, we have to close the heading. Okay, if you forget using heading tag to close here, you can also close here, but it is the good practice that we use heading tag after title tag. Okay, so I think you understand all these things. In next video I will create some more content. We will use more tags in HTML. Thank you.